To ensure smooth order processing, adding a payment method to your Printify account is essential. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into your Printify account. Visit printify.com and sign into your account. Go to Payment Settings. In your dashboard, click on your profile icon or settings in the left-hand menu. Select the Payments tab from the Settings options. Add Payment Method. Click on Add Payment Method. Printify supports credit or debit cards and PayPal for order payments. Enter payment information. If using a credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address. For PayPal, you will be redirected to log into your PayPal account to authorize Printify. Set as default payment method. If you plan to use this payment method for all orders, check the option to make it your default payment method. Save changes. Click Save to confirm. Your payment method is now added, and Printify will charge this method when fulfilling orders.